Most people think their life is exhausting because they're busy, but the truth is life only feels hard because you're tired, and fixing that starts tonight. Improving your sleep is easier than you think, and it's probably the fastest way to upgrade your entire life. Your focus, your habits, your discipline, even your motivation, all of it collapses when you're sleep deprived. But the moment you start sleeping right, everything begins to feel lighter, smoother, and more achievable. Here's the part nobody tells you. You don't need a perfect routine. You don't need melatonin gummies, expensive mattresses, or complicated biohacks. Your body already knows how to sleep deeply. You just have to stop interrupting the process. Start with consistency. Your brain is a rhythm machine. When you sleep at random times, you confuse that rhythm. But the moment you choose one bedtime and stick to it, not perfect, just consistent, your brain starts releasing melatonin naturally. Suddenly, falling asleep becomes easy instead of a fight. Next, control your light. Blue light is the modern enemy of deep sleep. 1 hour before bed, dim your space, put your phone away, let your mind disconnect from the constant stream of stimulation. Yes, it feels uncomfortable at first, but within a few nights you'll feel your body dropping into rest effortlessly. Then focus on mental shutdown. Your brain can't sleep if it's still solving problems. And most people lie awake replaying stress, conversations, and tomorrow's responsibilities. A simple fix? Write down everything you need to do tomorrow. Empty your mind on paper. It signals your brain, we're finished for today. And finally, upgrade your environment. You don't need anything fancy, just a cool room, clean sheets, and a quiet or gently noisy background. Think of your bedroom as a charging station. The cleaner and calmer it is, the stronger your recharge becomes. Here's the real message. Improving your sleep isn't about perfection, it's about one small improvement at a time. Go to bed 15 minutes earlier, turn off screens a little sooner, clear your mind before you lay down. Small wins stacked daily turn into deep sleep and powerful days, because when you sleep better, you think better, and when you think better, your entire life starts to rise.